Damn, son. Look at that. That full carbon hood. So let me show you guys where this goes. Damn, this looks sick. Oh, look at all 100% real carbon. Pretty insane. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Raptor. So if you don't know, this is a 2019 Ford Raptor. It's not mine, it's my boy's, and I'm working on it for him. So on the first episode of us working on this thing, you can go check that out. We pulled the whole interior apart. It's all taken apart. All the pieces are all apart. And on the most recent episode, we put this rear bumper on. So now we're putting the interior back in it. So let me show you what we got. Drop that tailgate, son. That hydraulic assist. But check this out. So we sent this all out to get carbon fibered. It's all custom. It's not like this is like something you can just buy. This is all we had to send it out, and this is all, you know, one-off made, totally custom. So pretty much the whole interior, all the trim pieces, everything's going all carbon. The only thing we don't have for the interior is the steering wheel, which is still coming in because that takes a little bit longer, but it should be here soon. So I guess let's open this up and show you guys what we got going. All right, so let's check it out. Let's open this up. So we also sent out the hood, not the hood, but the hood scoop to get carbon fibers in it. I think it's gonna come out sick. So let's check this out. That's what this is right here. As you can tell, this packaging's pretty sick. You did a good job. Make sure all this stuff. It's some expensive stuff, so you don't want to, you know, mess it up. Damn, son. Look at that. That full carbon hood. So let me show you guys where this goes. Damn, this looks sick. Oh, look at all 100% real carbon. Pretty insane. Oh, look at this hood. Oh, that thing's sick. Yeah, that shit's sick.
That's legit.
Who did it? I don't know. Oh, SoCal Garage Works. Go check them out. Killed it on all this stuff.
Yeah, no, this thing is good. Give me a piece of that thing.
Alright, so let's see what this thing looks like on the truck. It goes just like this. We're just gonna set it on for now. We're not gonna actually pop it on, but yeah, that looks sick. Insane. Look at that carbon bouncing off the light. Pretty crazy. It's all dirty. The truck's filthy because it's been sitting for the past couple weeks while we've been waiting on this stuff, but it does look sick. So I guess we can leave that here and let's open up the rest of the stuff. All right, so check this out. So this is the center console piece, and it looks insanely sick. Like, look how good this came out. This goes right where this is your cup holders, this is your shifter. Came out insane. Like, literally insane. Everything about it looks so sick. Alright guys, so let me open the rest of these. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, and then once they're all unwrapped, I'll show you them, and then we're gonna throw them in the truck, see what they look like. Alright guys, so as you can see, this stuff looks absolutely sick. It looks insane, especially for this Raptor, because these Raptors, you can actually order the carbon fiber package from the factory, but it's not this extensive. They put it on a couple pieces, but this looks actually absolutely sick. So I guess, yeah, check out the shifter. So I guess what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get these pieces back installed in the truck and put this thing back together. So let's go. Yo, so we're about to finish up this truck. We're doing the last 2 doors, and I literally could not find the bolts to the doors. I've been looking around. How long do you think it's been?
Like 25, 30 minutes?
30 minutes at least. And so we're looking at every compartment. I'm thinking that I might have put them inside this console when I snapped it together. And then I look in here, and they're all in the cup holder.
20 minutes
We're
later.
such scrubs, to be honest. But I guess let's get back at these doors, get these buttoned up, and then I'll show you guys the whole interior. Alright guys, so that is a wrap. We got the whole interior in except for the wheels. So the wheel's still coming in, but other than that, look at this. It looks absolutely insane. Like, compared to what the stock looked like, it looks insane. I think this is like a must on Raptors. I mean, this really sets it off, that's for sure. But let's look at this hood. This hood's sick too. So the hood, it's not on there. I still have it just sitting, but the hood looks sick. It looks sick with the black, even though it's all filthy. It looks absolutely insane. And so what we got going now is we got to put the front bumper on, and we got the wheels coming in, and we got the lift kit going on. We got to do the full exhaust, tune, intake, all of that. So we got a lot going on. That's gonna be a wrap for this video. We don't really have any more time today. Today's actually Halloween, so we're about to go home, get ready, and you know, we're going out tonight. So
going trick-or-treating.
Yeah, we're going trick-or-treating tonight. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video. And yeah, stay tuned for the future mods and the Hellkeezy. You know, we got stuff coming for that too. I'm waiting on the gasket kit right now. I get that tomorrow, so that video is going to be coming very soon. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you all later. Peace.